Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be going camping. So you ready to go? We're going to go to the field and we're going to get the horses. And I don't know why I'm quite glitchy, but yeah. So we're going to go to a camping. So we're going to go in here and get the horses out. Oop, here we go. Don't want to break the door. Ah, okay. Sorry, it's a bit glitchy today, but it's gonna be good. Okay, so here's the horses. So I'm gonna hop on. Okay, come on. So you ready to go?
Yeah.
So let's go out. I'm gonna do it from head cam. It's always important to close the gate after. Okay, we're gonna go up here because we're gonna go camping. People can ride fast. Oh, let's go after her. Come on. Yo, you can't be like all these trail over here. No, arena, where's she going? Okay, let's go up here. So we're gonna follow the trail, so we can have a nice get up on this trail because it's actually a very nice trail. This is. Come on, let's go. Oh no, she's beating us. It's glitchy. Where's it glitchy? Come on. Okay, we're gonna follow the trail, and I'll tell you when we're gonna go off the trail. How is she so far right now? So wait. Why am I? Hang on, let me stop a bit and go. I'm so sorry why it's so glitchy, but anywho, look at this zooming past and up. Okay, now we're gonna go. Hang on, we're gonna go up straight. Hang on, I know. Ooh, we're gonna jump this. Stop. Okay.
I'm jumping.
Oh, here. Oh, there's someone here.
She's jumping.
Not a problem. There's somebody here. I guess we can camp with them. I guess, y'all. Wait, where are you supposed to tie our horse? Okay. Wait, where are we supposed to tie our horses? They could be leaving soon. No, wait, what? Why are we? Is your horse tied? Okay. Let me tie my horse here. Ah. Is your horse tied?
You hold on to it.
Okay, so our horse is tied. So now we're gonna dismount. Okay. So now we're going to sit by the cabin. We actually got here just in time. Good, the sun's setting, or is it getting brighter? I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna chill out, and then hang on. And then we're going to just, after we chill out, we're gonna probably eat in the morning. Oh, what if we go for a nighttime ride? I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Let's see what's here. So I just got some food. I'm gonna sit on a bench. Okay, wait, y'all. We need to see our cabin. Let's see this one. Okay. This is a bathroom, okay. So that's the bathroom, and here are the bedrooms. Sorry, y'all. I don't know why it's so glitchy, but yeah. Okay, so should we chill out in the cabin?
Sure.
I have a lemon. My lemon.
Fine.
Okay, let's chill out in the cabin. Let's go. Okay, which colour bed do you want? What colour bed? Air bed we have.
I need to feed my.
Yeah, we're going to do that.
How do we do that?
Okay, so we're gonna. Did you close the door on me? The people left the door open. Oh, okay. Sorry, y'all. It's the normal glitchy. Okay, so we're gonna feed our horses now. So, have you got apples? So we're feeding our horses now. Okay. Okay. So now they are all fed. Okay, so is it getting dark? Yo, by the way, this is where we are from my higher view. This is where we are. The people left, so it's just us. So I think I might, just warm up at the fire and just warm up here. It's a bit chilly, so yes. Yeah. So as you all probably know, these are not the stables what y'all has probably seen. So we are going to go back to the stables, our stables. So we're gonna go back in the morning. Should we have a quick ride? Okay, so we're gonna have a quick ride. So let's go. Okay, where are you?
Horses. Hungry.
Where are you?
You want them beginning as well?
Okay, so she zoomed off. Okay, she's at the stable. Yo, these are not our stables. As y'all people who watch will know what our stables look like. So where are you? We're gonna go. We're gonna go. Okay, come. Where are you? Get something to eat for the horses. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. Oh, nope. Show. Okay. Were you following me? Come here. Okay, let us get some food for the Aussies. Okay, we need to get your bowl. Okay, let's put the horses in the stable first. We're actually at the very back stables and we are next to each other. So open. Okay. Oh, come on. Why is this door open? Okay. Okay. So we're gonna dismount our horse and get our horses something. Wait. Or should we actually get our horse something to eat at the stables? Our stables. Yes, we need to. Okay, let's get them a snack first, and then when we get to the stables, they can eat. Whoa! They can eat all they want. Well, not all they want. That would be really bad. But okay. So you want to grab a bowl? And we got all the stuff in here, apples and all that. Hello. This girl. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm really sorry, y'all. Why is this so glitchy?
Looking good.
Okay, so we are back at my stables now. So, hang on.
What made everything seem like a
Okay, so we are going to now. We're gonna go. So let's go to our horses.
Where's my horse?
Your horse is.
Wait, you said what to my horse?
Okay, so now we're gonna go get her horse. Okay, this stall. How is this? Okay, I'm gonna leave my horse because yeah. Okay, I'm coming. What's stuff called off a bit? So come on, this way. This is what I'm seeing, y'all. She's new to the stables, y'all. There we go. That's yours. You just open the door, you know. Okay, let's lead them outside before we hop on. We're doing like bareback, y'all. Do you want to wash them off first? Okay, let's go
Is this
outside.
part of a tunnel or what?
Yeah. You have to open the door. Okay, we're gonna do some arena, huh? Hang on. You got we have the buttons. So we're gonna do some Western. Go on. Okay. Let's do these. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. You ready? So we're gonna go and see this. Like, I don't know. I think it's a Ferris wheel or something like that. I only saw it once. I was like, I want to see what that is. So we're gonna go over here and see what. Oh, okay. Is this? Can we hop on this? Hopefully. Okay, where is she? I'm coming. Okay, yo, hang on. Okay, I think she's over there. There you are. Okay, so we're gonna go over to the Ferris wheel. This is looking really cool. What is this? Oh, it's okay. What was that? Careful, my horse just nearly fell on that. Going down there. Come. Okay. What is okay? What is this? It's like a no. Your horse can't go in there. Good. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, wait, what? What is that? I don't know. Okay. Careful. Can we hop on? Oh, we can sit. Okay, ready? And sit. Oh, nope. And sit. Keep it press sit. Okay, and sit. Okay, hang on. Can we stop? Does this thing stop? Hang on. What's this? Okay. Okay, look up and press sit. Oh, it's warning. Okay. Okay, when it comes, 3, 2, 1. Oop, not the way. Okay. Okay, hang on. Yo, fast forward this. Okay, what if you need your horse with it? We could probably need our horse with it. Watch this, y'all. Come on, what are you doing? Come on. Okay, let's show. Careful. Good job. Okay. Right, watch this now, y'all. Okay, watching. Now I'm high. This is so small. Hang on. No, it's not. Hang on. Hang on. Okay. Yo, this is what. Okay. You know what? Okay, the end of this video, at least we're going to do something, a lot of exciting. So let's go and have a quick race on the beach, okay? Yo, oh, careful. Careful your horse right there.
This is far too much for
Nope. Okay. So we're going to have a race. This way. On the beach. Ooh. Okay, you ready? No, you are way farther than me. Here we go. You ready? 3. Come on. I'll slow down a bit for her. Let's go. Soon making it, y'all. I'm not even galloping, I'm cantering. Do that! You're bent! Oh, the bridge. And whoever passes the bridge first. No, come on. No way. Come on. Yo, thank you for watching this video. We're gonna end the video. So thank you for watching this video, y'all. Yeah. So if y'all liked it, do like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you can get notified when we post I post another one of my videos. Bye. By the way, y'all, she's gone, by the way.